on, do what you were doing. Here, hold the camera. You can see, right? You can see. Gotta tell them what we're doing.
Going to the vet, and Big Brother Moosekiss is worried about Bat because Bat has to go to the vet.
I'm missing Bat's head, but down a little bit.
Moosekiss is worried about his brother. He knows his brother's afraid, so he gets him all groomed up and happy to be going to the vet, getting well. Usually Moosekiss doesn't do it, but now he knows his brother's kind of worried, so he's gonna get him all calmed down. See? Normally Bat has to wash Moosekiss, but Moosekiss knows his little Bat. He knows he's gotta get him all set. Bat is scared. He's probably gonna get a shot at the vet again. That little Bat
Gotta try louder.
compromised immune system, so that little Bat must got another shot coming. What a nice brother you are, Moosekiss. You're the nice Moosekissing brother. Okay, we're done.